friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn the difference between account payable and account receivable. Let's start the video. In accounting we often get confused between account payable and account receivable, so it is important to differentiate between account payable versus account receivable because one of them is a liability account and the other is an assets account. Mixing up these two can cause a lack of balance in your accounting equations, which carries over into your basic financial statement. What are account payable? Account payable are current liability account that keep track of money that you owe to any third party. The third parties can be bank, companies, or even someone from who you borrowed money. One common example of account payable is purchases made for goods or services from other companies. Depending on the terms of repayment and amount are typically due immediately or within a short period. What are account receivable? Now come to what are account receivable. Account receivable is a current assets account that keeps track of money that third parties owe to you. Again, these third parties can be bank, companies, or even when who borrowed money from you. One common example is the amount owed to you for goods sold or services your company provides to generate revenue. Accounts payable leads to a decrease in cash flow while accounts receivable leads to an increase in cash flow. Account payable is simply the total cost of purchases, whereas account receivable are determined as total sales minus returns and all the allowance and the discount given the customers. For account payable are accountability lease on the liability lease on the business, while for accounts receivable accountability lease on debtors. An increase in account payable represents a cash inflow from the delayed payment to suppliers or vendors, whereas a decrease in accounts payable reflects an outflow of cash as the outstanding credit balance of customers is paid off in cash payment. On the other hand, an increase in account receivable represents a cash outflow because more customers have paid on credit, so there is less cash on hand for the company, whereas a decrease in accounts receivable reflects an inflow of the cash as more cash was collected from sales that were previously paid for on credit. If you find the video helpful, give us a like, share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.